Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I actually want to take you guys quickly through on how I do car photography and grab photos of cars.
The storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now, I don't know if I'll ever arrive.
I'm no professional car photographer. There are a lot better car photographers out there. I just wanted to show you the way I do it. So I'm going to just take you through quickly my walk around, the things I'm focusing on, the items that I want to take photos of. So I'm using my own car in this episode. I've been very lucky that I can afford a Mercedes AMG. So it's a nice black estate. As you can see, I've come here to a local shopping center. It's not a mall, but a shopping center. The light's nice. There's these lights at the back. It's nice and yellow, but I can cover everything. And I'm using the 35mm Sigma 1.4 for these photos. And I will also show you some photos during this in different places that I've taken some photos tonight using the 18mm that I'm talking to you on right now. So I wanted to just walk you through, show you what's what. So one thing that I start off with is if I come this side, you can see my wheels are turned ever slightly. I turn them ever slightly. I found this position to be quite nice. It's not the greatest car park thing, but it will do for what I want, what I want with these photos. So just adjust your wheels ever so slightly so that they are not just flat, because it makes the car look flat, and just take the photos there. So you can see my shadow over here. This is going to pose a problem when I walk around the car and take photos, especially if I'm standing on that side of the car. You will see that it will pose a shadow in towards the photo, and that's what you want to try and avoid. So there's a couple of things that we're going to try and avoid. My settings are high. Even this video is at ISO 10,000, so I do apologize if it's noisy. When I'm talking about noise, I'm talking about grain in the blacks and that, but I think it'll be fine. My settings I'm using for my photos is I'm normally around about, I would say, 1/25th of a second, maybe 1/60th, up to 200th of a second. Naturally, I'm going to go for the widest aperture that I can, and I'm shooting at 10,000 ISO, and I'm using A7 3s, not R3s. I'm using A7 3s for these videos because of the low light capability of it. Some nice images out, and I'm going to leave this rolling, and I'm going to walk around the car, just take some photos, and then come back to you and show you exactly what I've taken photos of. And I'm actually going to walk you guys through how I edit the photos as well. I think that seems to work quite nicely when I show my editing process. I hope you guys actually enjoy this, and this is something different for me. Like I said, I don't normally do cars. I don't normally photograph cars. I just wanted to go and do something a little different tonight, and I wanted to be a little bit creative. And it's quiet. It's 9 o'clock in the evening, and you can see the car park is completely quiet. The lighting is nice here. I know it's yellow and it's tungsten. A lot of people go, oh, but I kind of like it. So yeah, so let's see how it goes. So one of the things I always do is I turn my lights on. It just adds drama and appeal to the image. So that's something that you should do, is when you're taking your photos of the car, just put the car lights on, and yeah, hopefully it'll look quite nice. Unfortunately, there isn't big puddles of standing water, because you'll see over here where the car is parked, right here, this is actually a mound, and there's drain ditches. So there's no puddles of water. I would have liked to have puddles of water, park the car in, and gotten reflections. So I'm going to have to do another video on that one other day when I find a place where I can find puddles of water.
Don't hang up. Can we be friends?
captured all the images that I want for now. I've gotten some interior shots, I've got some, I won't say detail shots, just some dash shots, and I might get some door card shots. I've got some of the badges, some close-ups of the wheels. So like I said, I'm just using the 35mm Sigma 1.4. I love this lens. I think it's a beautiful lens. And yeah, I'm just literally just taking some photos of things that I like. My car's dirty in the interior, so it's not very clean. So I'm not focusing too much on the interior. I just want to get some outside stills of the car. But when you're doing, I think when you're doing a car advert or you're shooting promotional content for a car manufacturer, whether it be a local retail company or like Mercedes-Benz or VW or whatever the case may be, I would highly suggest that the car be immaculate both inside and outside. I just literally went down to my local car wash quickly before coming here, put it through a car wash so there isn't dirt on the wheels and stuff like that. But normally you would detail the car to perfection and then take the photographs as you need it. And naturally the photographs you're going to be taking is all dependent on what the assignment or what you want the photographs to be for social media. So in this case, this is just me wanting to do some night photography, going out and actually creating some content at night, and also to check I've actually not been doing a lot of night photography or video with the 35mm 1.4 or the A7 IIIs, and naturally, like I said, I've got two of them and I'm using them. My glasses are misting up, so yeah. I have not done very much video or photos with these in low light situations like we are right now. And I mean, I don't know if 10,000 is pushing it. We'll see in post-production.
Keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. Stone cold since you left me here, so come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. Wizard of Oz can undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still, I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here, so come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold.
So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's a very short video of me just doing some photos and how I've edited these photos. Once again, you know the drill. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. if you would like to comment on this video, I'd really appreciate it. I like a good conversation every now and then. And also remember, if you feel that somebody can get value from this video, please share it. And till the next video, I will see you guys later. Cheers. Ta-da.